guys, let me tell you about this bonnet before I go to anything else. This bonnet is from Bougie Necessities, my business page, or my business, I must say. I have a business page on Instagram. You can contact me via Instagram to make your orders. Also on Facebook at Nataloy Leslie. And for those who already have my number, you can make an order there. I have a business number coming soon. So with that said, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Even though I said it before, but still you have to play a game, right? So go ahead and like the video, share the video with a friend, with a family, or whatever, or whoever, wherever, you know. I really appreciate it. And thanks for tuning in again. You wanna brush this out? You wanna brush this out? You wanna brush this out? No, this here, I made this here yesterday, and also I also videoed the process of making it. So with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and sleek my hair down. And if you guys keep seeing me looking that way, it's because I'm watching a movie. People, I am almost at 1,000 subscribers, and without you guys that wouldn't have been possible. So I want to say thank you so much, and I've been putting so much work into this channel. So as soon as I get to 1,000 subscribers, and I want to show you guys some appreciation. One of your appreciations, I'll be doing a giveaway. So let's see if I can do a middle part right here. Alright, so now that we've done doing the edge of my hair, the front of my hair, I'm just gonna grab this here, what's it called again, wig cap. And just like every other wig I usually install, I used to have this cap that I put on the inside, glue it down. I stopped doing that a long time ago. I can't be bothered. Too much process. No, people, this wig that I made, it's a black headband wig. And here we go. You have a look. Looking fantastic. So what I'm gonna do, I sewed a pin right here and one in the back also. So I had this wig cap on another wig, so what I did is I got so excited I took it off, and I'm gonna put it on now. Yeah, I think I people, I have nothing more to say. I have nothing more to say. These wigs are the bomb. Could it, people? Look on it. Could it? You can wear it just as is. You can wear it down. I actually posted a picture of it on my Instagram page earlier last night, I think. Yo, people, I can't stop looking on this wig. Now, I'm gonna show you how long this is. Not long, that long this time. I made it. So this is gonna be my go-to wig for a very long time. So, I wanna show you the back. So that's how long it is. And I am loving it. I am loving it, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna show you what styles you can do with this headband wig. You can also add a headband, of course. I showed you guys that in a previous video, but because I don't have a pin, so I need to buy some more pins to pin this wig up. I have to be careful. I don't want to pull it off my head. Have those like so. You can just flip it to the back like so. Hold on, let's cover this elastic band right here. This can be one hairstyle with a headband around it. Right, guys? So this could be one hairstyle. Number one, you can also do a bun on the top. A little bun up top. And so forth. Alright, so since you already have this up like so, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the wig up like so. I can add a little more support to this. Let's put this up to the front. To add some extra support, guys, because the sides doesn't have any pin in it and I don't want it to fall off my head. Well, I'm not going anywhere. I just want to show you how exactly. I'm gonna tie this right here and I'm gonna pull it up into the bun. Alright, y'all, so this is like a little updo in the high ponytail thing. This is how it looks in the back, and alright, people, so that's one of the styles you can do. You can also do this one where you just put it in a little, catch up the back, and leave it as it is, and wear it like so. And you can also put it in a little bun to the back. Like this to the back. So we have a little bun to the back. Or you can go about look a business. So if you ever want to go to work, you can wear it to work. You can make it whatever length you want to make it in. And yeah. You can also put it up into the cap back. The front one too. That's it. That also can be worn in this little bun up here. Look funny people. Now, guys, we don't know about Uno, but I love the wig. I love this wig, and this is gonna be like my go-to wig from now on. Alrighty, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, y'all, so this is like an updo. Some people tell me if you wouldn't do this hairstyle too, right? You can even add your own headband to this style. Look, headband to this style, and just like that you have your own looking headband style. You have a little bun up top. You look so cute. You look so cute. Going out. You see? Girl. Let's do a thumbnail. Hold on. No, hold on. That will do it. Nobody can tell me say this is not my real hair. I better tell you the truth. Nobody gonna tell me that. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. If you ever come across this video, I really like to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please share it with a friend or a family or whoever you may want to share it with. Alright, share it with a girlfriend. You can even try it and you will save a lot of money, trust me, because this wig is no human hair. And look at it, look funny people. Look at that. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to get the hang of loop in the back part. You know those things when you catch up, we have like a low back. I think I catch up this too much, but that's with that said, thanks for watching.